How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Okay. So welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Today we are going to learn wellness subject. Okay. So you have to take out book of wellness. This is your book of wellness. You have to take out this book. Open page number 1 to 12. Okay. Yes. So everybody open page number 1 to 12. What you can see on that page? Yes. Come on, tell me what you can see. What is the heading? Yes, problem solving. Okay. Today we are going to learn the topic problem solving skills. So first of all, you tell me what is a problem? Yes. What is mean by problem? Yes. Very good. Problems means a समस्या, हम उसको समस्या बोलते हैं या परेशानी बोलते हैं, right? So what are the things? Means whenever you face any kind of problem, what you have to do? Yes, there are many solutions to solve the problem. So today that we are going to see what are the problems and what are the solutions for them. Okay. So now tell me, have you all faced any kind of problem? Right, up till now, have you all faced any kind of problem? Yes, you all may face a problem while playing on the ground. Yes or no? While playing on the ground, you may fell down into the mud sometimes. You may got the stains of mud on your clothes, right? That time you all will be worried what to do now. Yes, after going home your mama will scold you, right? So this is a problem for you. So what will be the solution for that? Yes, if you all get any stains on your clothes, that is mud stains, so what will be the solution? Yes, very good. You can give your clothes to the washerman. He will wash your clothes properly and he will give you back. Okay. So this is one problem. Again, any other sort of problems you all have faced? Yes. Come on, tell me, think and tell me what some other problems you all have faced. Yes, you may face like while playing your shoes may get spoiled, means like dirty, or it will get torn, right? So what will be the solution for that problem? If you means your shoes will get torn, that time what you have to do? What you have to do? Yes, you have to visit to the cobbler. Cobbler means he is a person who mends your shoes. He repairs your shoes and he gives you back. So this is one more problem. Okay. Again, any other problems you feel that you all have faced? Yes, very good. If you all fall sick, that is also a problem. Whenever you fall sick, instead of getting worried to that problem, what you all can do? Come on, think and tell me. If you fall sick at a time, then what will be the solution for that? You will sit like that only? Huh? If you have any temperature, cold, cough, fever, whatever, then what you will do? You will just sit and think over that problem? No, you have to take some proper solution. So what will be the solution for that problem? You have to visit to the doctor. Very good. Then doctor will do the testing and all. He will do the checkup and he will give you a proper guidance, a proper prescription he will give. According to that, you have to take the medicines and all the things, then you will be all right. Okay. So this is a type of problem and how to overcome I have explained you. So have you understood what are the problems? What is the meaning of problem and how to overcome? Okay. Now have you all opened page number 1 to 12 of your wellness book? Okay. Now pay attention on the board. Teacher will show you more examples, okay, of problem solving skills. Okay. So open page number 1 to 12 and pay attention on the board. So see the heading on this page, what is given? P-R-O-B-L-E-M, problem. S-O-L-V-I-N-G, solving. S-K-I-L-L-S, skills. Problem solving skills means what are the solutions, what are the techniques, what are the ideas to solve a particular problem. Okay. Now here you can see a puzzle problem. Okay. Here which picture you can see on this page? Which animal it is? Yes, it is a lion. So what, just you observe this page and tell me what problem is there in this picture, in this puzzle. What is the problem? Yes, see the full picture. Yes, you can see the picture of a lion, right? But what is the problem? Here you can see the question mark, okay? Means the problem is here, okay? So think and tell me what is the problem in this puzzle. Come on, use your logic. Come on and tell me what is the problem in this picture. Yes, very good. A part of a face of this lion, the face part is missing, okay? So this is a problem, yes or no? यहाँ पे lion का face वाला part missing है, so it is a problem, okay? So if it is a problem, so there will be also the solution also will be there, right? So here you can see 3 pictures are given, right? See here 3 parts of face, means face part वाले 3 pictures दिए हैं, right? So out of that 3 pictures, which one will be the correct for this problem? This is a problem and here are the solutions, okay? So which part will match to this proper part, that will be the solution of this problem, okay? So shall we see? हम लोग try करेंगे, okay? See here, the missing part of a face of this lion is missing, okay? So which one will be the correct? See here, first I will try this first one, okay? Is this correct? No. See here, one cross mark is there. Cross mark means it is wrong. So the first option is wrong. It is not proper, okay? So we will see the second one, okay? See here, a green color tick mark means this second number option is correct, okay? Second number option for this problem is a correct solution, okay? So understood how to overcome a problem? Have you all understood? What is a problem? Problem means a samasya. We called it pareshani, samasya, okay? Now we have seen one example of problem, that is the puzzle game we have seen just now, okay, of lion, and also we have seen the solution. Now we will see some problem solving skills, okay? Skills means what? Ideas, techniques. What are the ideas to solve a particular problem, that we are going to see now, okay? So now we will see what are the problem solving skills, okay? So fold your hands and observe this video very carefully.
One day, problem solving skills. One day, Tina was sitting alone and crying in her room. Her mother came and asked her, "Why are you crying, Tina?" Tina told her, "I borrowed a set of crayons from my friend Ria and lost them somewhere. Can you please help me out?" Her mom said, "Of course, I can help you, but you should try to solve your own problem." Tina asked, "How?" Mother said, "Stop crying and listen to me carefully. To solve any problem, first understand the problem." Tina said, "The problem is that I borrowed crayons from my friend whom I had to return, but I lost them. So now how do I return the crayons to her?" Mother told her, "Now think of different ways to solve it." Tina said, I can tell her that somebody else stole the crayons from my bag. Or I can tell her the truth that I lost the crayons and buy her a new set by saving money from my pocket money." "You are doing great, Tina," said the mother. "Now choose the best way." Tina said, "Okay, I think it is always better to tell the truth since lying is bad." "I am proud of you, Tina. Now that you thought of the best way, take help and solve it," said mother. "Thank you, Mom, for helping me solve my problem. I will tell Ria the truth and buy her a new set of crayons from my pocket money."
So have you all understood how to solve or how to overcome a problem, okay? Here this little girl, her name is Tina, and she has borrowed a crayon box from her friend, that is Ria. But what happened? She lost it somewhere and she was crying that she has lost, but now she has to return the crayon box to her friend, right na? So her mother, what she said her, instead of sitting and crying for that problem, you should find some solutions to solve the problem. Okay, so what solution her mother gave? That you think what you can do. So what Tina she said, I can tell my friend that somebody has stole the crayon box from her bag. Again she thought, why to say lie? Yes, instead of lying, she should say the truth. Means whatever has happened, she should tell that properly. So what she thought, I will tell the truth to my friend Ria and I will save some money from my pocket. That is, means she will save the money from her pocket money and she will buy a new set of crayon box and she will hand over to her friend. Okay, so this was the message from this story. So have you all understood how exactly the problems are and what we should do? We should not sit and cry for that problem. We should try to find out the solutions to overcome the problem. Okay, to overcome the problem means to solve the problem. Okay, now we will see here what points we have to keep in our mind. Okay, now Tina, she was having a problem. Okay, so the very first thing what her mother she suggested her, instead of sitting and crying for the problem, what we have to do is, first point is understand the problem. What is the first point? Understand the problem. First you have to understand what is the problem exactly. So what Tina she thought, she borrowed the crayon box from her friend and she lost it, right? So this was the first point. She understood what is the exact problem, right? Now second point, think of different ways to solve it. Okay, now you all have understood the problem. Okay, what was the problem? She has borrowed the crayon box from her friend and she lost it. It was a problem. So what were the different ways to solve the problems? Yes, what she thought? She thought that she will tell her friend that somebody has stolen the crayon box from her bag, right? But again what she thought? This was the first. Second, what she thought? I will say her the truth. I have lost the crayon box somewhere. So these were the two options, correct? So she thought in different ways. What are the different ways? Again what she thought, I will save some money from my pocket money. I will save some money. I will purchase a new set of crayon box and I will give to my friend Ria. Okay, so these were the different ways to solve the problem. Now third point, choose the best way. Okay, choose the best way. So which one will be the best way that we have to choose to solve a problem? Now she thought two different ways. Tina, she thought of two different ways. That first point, what it was? She said I will tell my friend somebody has stole the crayon box from my bag. This was the first one. And what was the second one? She thought that I will tell her the truth. I kept the crayon box but somewhere I have lost it. So this was the second number. Okay, second option. So which one was the best? Saying lie it was the best or saying the truth it was the best? Yes, of course, always we have to say the truth instead of lying. So we have to choose the best way. That was, she said that I will say her the truth. I kept the crayon box somewhere and it got lost. So this was the best option. Okay, so third number is choose the best way. Understood? Last number, fourth number is take help and solve it. Means what? You have to take help by your teachers, parents, friends, somebody. First you have to share the problem with them and you have to take their help and you have to solve the problem. Okay, so these are the 4 main points we have to keep in our mind before solving a problem. Understood? So what is the first one? Understand the problem. Very good. Second one, think of different ways to solve it. Right? Third one is choose the best way. Okay? And fourth one is take help and solve it. Okay? Understood? Now you have to turn the page. Next page you have to open. That is page number 1414. Now see here, what is given? Ron is sick. Help him to reach the doctor. Okay, see here. This is a boy, his name is Ron and he is sick. Means he is not feeling well. And now we have to take him to the doctor. You can see a doctor over here. Yes. So this is a problem. Now you have to use your logic and tell me how to solve this problem. Yes, Ron is standing here, right? We have to take him to the doctor. So how we will go? Yes, how we should go? See here, the dotted lines are given, okay? So we have to, you have to take your pencils in your hand. Be ready. We have to start from here, okay? See here, if this is a problem, Ron is sick and we have to take him to the doctor. This is a problem, but the solution is also given here, okay? Instead of sitting and thinking or overthinking for this problem, here the solution is given, so we have to follow the solution, okay? Come on, now you have to do with teacher. See here, this is the proper way. By this way, we have to take Ron to reach the doctor, okay? Have you all understood how to solve this problem? Ron is sick, we have to take him to the doctor. This is a problem. And what is the solution? Here on this way, there is some like dotted lines is given, okay? So this is the route. We have to follow this way and we have to reach the doctor. So we have solved this problem, yes or no? Okay, so have you all understood? Yes? Have you all understood how to solve a problem? Okay. So now tell me what is actually mean by a problem? Yes children, what is actually mean by a problem? Yes, come on, tell me. Yes, very good. Problem means pareshani, okay? Any difficulties which we face every day, like while you all are playing, while you all are studying, you may get any type of difficulties. So it is known as problem. So instead of sitting and crying on the crying or overthinking for that problem, you have to solve the problem. Understood? Okay students, tell me which topic we have learned today. Yes, very good. We have learned problem solving skills. So what we have learned today? What you all have understood in this topic? Come on, tell me. If there is a problem, so what you all should do? You should sit and cry? No. What you have to do? You have to first understand the problem. Yes or no? Exactly what is the problem? You have to first understand the problem. What is the second point? Think in different ways to solve it. You have to think in different ways. More options how to solve the problem. Okay. Third one option is choose the best way. So which one will be the best option? You have to choose that option to solve the problem. Yes or no? And last one, fourth number, what it is? Take help and solve it. You have to take help from your elders, that is from your teachers or from your parents, and you have to solve the problem. Okay. So have you all understood this today's topic? Yes? Very good. So I hope that you all have understood our today's topic. So meet you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.